Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're gonna test FSD on a snowy road or in snow. It's been snowing on and off. It'll be interesting to see how FSD performs, but before we do that we gotta clean this car up. Forgot to precondition it. Pro and plug. Let's place it securely right here. Close this up and let's go. All right, so let's go to a destination. Let me see, let me go somewhere a bit tricky. I'm gonna turn the satellite on. And you know what, we'll go to this parking lot here. Let me pick this location. Alright, so started to snow again. I'm gonna turn on FSD as soon as it is available. Let's see, not yet. Now, no, still nothing. Oh, it says auto steer not available. Even though the cameras are clean, there's no residue, nothing on it. So far, no FSD. There we go. So FSD came on. Now this turn here is a little bit tricky because when they clean the snow, they push a lot of the snow out on the edges and it can be slippery. So let's see if it slowed down quite well, but it's having a hard time seeing the road. But it re-engaged. That was cool. Wipers are set to auto. Matter of fact, we'll check the temperature in a second here, but let's see the braking. Yeah, does not slip at all. I do have winter tires, by the way, Pirellis, so they're pretty good. Anyways, let's expand this baby. Oh yeah, slipped a little bit. It wasn't. Oh, there we go. First. Won't let me turn it on, so I'm going to go to the right. There are 3 lanes on this road. Let's see. Okay, turned on again. And the curb and everything is very clearly visible. I do have a car behind me. Let's see how it's going to turn here, because this does look a bit slippery. Nice and slow, nice and slow. It's not sliding yet, but it's not going to be able to see where the road. It's a 2-lane road here, and I guess people have been driving everywhere, so I guess these tires are really good. Even the car's braking hard. This is a rear-wheel drive car, by the way. This is the 2018. Now this is where it's going to get interesting. I can see the surface. It's reflective, so it's sliding, correcting itself. There you go. Starts engaging again. So there was a little bit of slide in that roundabout. So now we're gonna enter this plaza. Hopefully nice and slow. Oh, there we go. I didn't assist it. I was just ready to assist it because there was a car behind me, but it did fine. So we're gonna come up here. Anyways, so we're gonna stop this here. It did a good job, I would say, not too bad. FSD is engaged in an unmarked parking lot that's covered by snow. Nothing is visible. It's parked a bit far from the sidewalk here, but I guess it's being extra cautious. Good left turn, good control. Okay. Again, very good stop and go behavior, by the way. I'm surprised. I'm expecting a little bit of oh no, wow. It doesn't know it's snowing, but it's driving like it's snowing, which is surprising because FSD 12, I don't think it detects weather. So on normal days, that turn will take it a bit faster, a little bit harder, but today just maybe the tires are feeling a little bit of traction, and that could be the thing where the car is slowing down a little bit extra. There are 2 lanes for the roundabout, but like as a human, I can see where those lanes are. I would stay, if I wanted to go left, I would stay there. Oh, it just gunned for it. So there were cars coming. They weren't close, they were far, but that was insane. really smooth. Just deciding to go right down the middle to piss other drivers off. So we're in the wrong lane to make that left on the roundabout. So it has to correct itself. So it was absolutely wrong, because if there was a car to my left, we would have hit it. It kind of stayed in the middle and then in the right lane and then came back to the left. So there you go, it's having a hard time. It should be way over to the right by the curb. But anyways, it's again slowed down perfectly, made that right turn. I think that was just because it pushed the accelerator so hard the car started sliding. I don't know if it's hard and is there cannot see games. The car's starting to fix it. So far, it's this we have a downhill pretty much started now. There's a downhill, and at the end of the downhill, there's a stop sign. We gotta make a right. So I have full confidence in FSD, but let's just see what happens. Slowing down very early. It's not sliding yet. Yeah, no slide, no slippage, nothing. Just very smooth. And this turn, oh wow. Either FSD is really good or I have really good winter tires. Oh, it saw that snow in the road. That was pretty cool. So let's see if I'm driving and if I turn a little bit harder here. Yeah, see, it does slide, so FSD was doing a good job. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. FSD in a snowstorm, on and off snowstorm with really poor road conditions. I gotta say, the car did really good. I was just expecting a lot worse, but it did really good. There wasn't a moment where I felt like it's about to crash or run into a curb or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to comment, hit the like button, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.